Hello students, so in that video we have to see how to make the family. So go for the family, open or new. If you have existing one, you can open from here. If you want to make new, we can make new. So today we have to see how to make the structural column family. So select the structural column template, then opening the file. So in that some by default dimensions are given. If you want to change it, you can simply change from here. You can change here. If you want to depth, suppose I want to depth 600, I can change. It was changed like that. You can change. So I want to make one column 500 by 600. Go to create, go to extrusion and draw the column. Suppose I have drawn. Then what's the depth we want? If I want to depth of a 3000 meter mm, then I can set 3000 and just finish. So you can see your column family is made. I have to give the realistic view. So you can see the column is made. If you want to change the dimensions, you can change from here, or you can change the extrusion depth. Just like that, you can make the column in that. Suppose I want to make 450 by 600 column. Go to extrusion, draw, and I want the same depth as a 3000 because our floor to floor height is 3000. Okay, you can see the column is made. Just like that, you can make the columns as per your requirement.